This is a simple and fast review of Sporty's telescoping stainless steel crevice tool. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get this out of its box here, not much to it. It does have a protective cover that you may or may not want to keep, depending on where you're going to store this, how you're going to store this, because the concept being is that this is going to be sharp. Right here especially, so be aware, and just kind of struggle to remove this here, and it's because it's clipping on to the back there, so make sure you bend that around and then it should come right off. But this will be sharp everywhere, so be aware of that. And then as you can see, we're just going to kind of twist to open and extend. And it'll give you a good distance. I'll show you kind of that process, and then you'll just kind of tighten, again twisting to open, and then just tighten back up, going the opposite way to lock in place. So we'll show you the purpose of this in just a second here. All right, so the idea here is that you're going to be able to kind of just clean these things up by sticking the blade right in and lifting out if needed, or you can just try and push them down through, depending on what you're looking to do. But the idea being is that I get a lot of this stuff, and being able to kind of just get this through and cleaned, real simple and easy, is a really nice feature without breaking my back by bending over and doing that. So literally just going to be able to kind of push stuff through, which is the best part for me, is being able to just kind of push it through rather than having to worry about lifting it up. But occasionally you can lift it up as well. And as you can see, I got a whole bunch of this stuff coming down. So it makes my life that much easier to be able to kind of clear this out. Not much to it as we kind of just pull. Get that stuff removed, and then you can just blow off the deck if needed, or again just push them through is usually the best path, because that way it'll get rid of it and you don't even have to blow it off. So to me, the extension capability makes all the difference. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.